Okay, let's introduce this machine. And this is the power switch. And this machine needs to connect the tube, the air tube for the robot hand and the machine. Okay, then we back to the machine. We turn on the machine. This is Chinese and English. We choose English. Okay. Here is the okay. This is the manual, mode testing, auto, semi-auto. Okay, this is the manual. This is the manual. This is mode setting, automatic, semi-automatic, and this is one splicing. That means one welding. One welding only this work. Welding, cooling. This welding tool, cooling tool will not work. But if you place two splicing, the welding time, the cooling time will work. And after the welding time 1, welding time 2, it will continued by welding time 2, welding cooling time 2. I will show you in a moment. And this is the okay. This is the switch detection. That means green means which switch is on. Green means on. Red means off. Okay. And this is the function. You can choose the cutting on, cut off, and you can choose the table turn clockwise or turn anti-clockwise. And this is the welding on, welding off. This is the high frequency welding on and off switch. Okay, I left it on. Okay, we back to this manual main interface. And when it's manual, the machine only is for the mode installation, for the setting. Okay, I'll show you. This is the manual. Down and up. This is the manual. Manual means no high frequency. Down and up. This is also same. No high frequency. This is the manual. Okay. Then we back to mode testing. Mode testing. Okay, I turn the okay, I turn it back to the position, and I will show you. Then we back to the mode testing. It is for the it is similar like manual, but in this in the mode testing you can do the high frequency welding. The power is on. Okay, and I will show you. First, I will show you the one-time welding splicing. And then I will show you 2-time splicing welding. And also this is the ampermeter for the limiter. When I sit here, when the power reaches the red needle, it will stop the high frequency power. So this is the limiter for the power. Okay, I will show you the welding. Okay, let me check the one-time welding. Okay, mode testing, and I press start. Okay, you can see when it reaches the red line, it come back. The high frequency power is shut down. Okay, if I turn this bigger, it will not shut down. Okay, I will show you. I will press start here. Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay, so remember this is the limiter for the ampere power. This is the limiter. Okay, let me back to the 2 times welding and check. Okay, and press start. This is the first time welding, first time cooling, and second time welding, second time cooling, Okay. And okay, I will turn it out so you can see this. Okay, this is the welding. You can see this is this material that we use to test this welding. Okay, this welding. Okay, welding together. Then I will show you the semi-automatic and fully automatic. I need to turn off the high frequency power because I don't have the mode at every station. So welding off, that means high frequency off. Then I can show you the okay, the semi-automatic. Okay, I show you the semi-automatic. I turn start. Okay, this is a semi-automatic. It's only welding one time. And let's check the full. This is the fully automatic. You must remember at the fully automatic, this is the control for the lobed hand. You must also turn this switch on auto. That means so that the switch can work at the auto. Okay, I press start. Okay, this is the fully automatic. The machine will run totally automatic, and I will emergency stop here. And okay, I will introduce this lobed hand. This is the work. This can work at manual and automatic. And right now, I just show you when you turn this switch to automatic, the lobed hand will work together with the machine. But if I turn manual, this lobed hand can work separately like this. Okay, this is the manual working. This is the manual working. Okay, this is the emergency stop. Okay, I think that's all.